Thank you, Excellency. Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I extend a warm welcome to fellow ministers, heads of delegations and representatives of BRICS member states and partner countries. I sincerely thank all delegations for their active engagement, constructive cooperation and shared commitment to advancing the BRICS cultural agenda. The BRICS nations represent some of humanity's oldest and most enduring civilizations. We are united by the conviction that culture is not merely a reflection of our past, but a living foundation upon which our societies build their future. For India, culture is a living force that shapes an identity, inspires creativity and innovation, strengthens social cohesion, and fosters dialogue, mutual understanding, peace, and sustainable development. Guided by the vision of Honorable Prime Minister, India's BRICS chairship in 2026 is anchored in the theme Building for Resilience, Innovation, Cooperation, and Sustainability. For the culture track, this means placing artists, artisans, cultural practitioners, communities, traditional knowledge holders, and young people at the heart of our cooperation. This vision is reflected in the Gyan Bharatam mission, launched in September 2025 to survey documents, conserve, digitize, and disseminate India's vast manuscripts heritage. The mission envisages covering more than 10 million manuscripts and establishing a national digital repository, thereby transforming this knowledge legacy into a living resource for research, education, and innovation. Complementing this effort, Mera Gaon Meri Dharohar, My Village is My Asset, documents India's living cultural traditions, local knowledge system, oral histories, crafts, and community practices. Recognizing that heritage lives through the people and communities who preserve and transmit it across generations. India has also strengthened shared civilizational linkages through Project Mosam and through the recreation of the traditionally built stitched sailing vessels, that is INSV Kondinya, inspired by the 5th century depiction at Ajanta caves and embodying indigenous shipbuilding knowledges beyond our borders. The commencement of the Archaeological Survey of India's Conservation and Restoration Project at the UNESCO World Heritage Prambanan Temple Complex further demonstrates India's commitment to international cultural cooperation and to preserving our shared civilizational heritage. Our ancient wisdom has long recognized the value of openness and dialogue. The Rig Veda beautifully proclaims, Ano Bhadra Kratvo Yantu Vishvate. Let noble thoughts come to us from all directions. This timeless ideal reminds us that civilizations flourish not in isolation, but through dialogue, mutual learning, and the exchange of ideas. It is in this spirit that India has approached its chairship of the BRICS cultural track. Ladies and gentlemen, from the first BRICS Culture Working Group meeting held virtually in the month of April through the second meeting in Varanasi and the third meeting here in Bhopal, to this 11th BRICS Culture Ministers meeting, our work has sought to translate the chairship theme and its people-centric vision into practical and lasting outcomes. Excellencies, throughout this journey, our deliberations have been guided by a shared objective to make cultural cooperation practical, collaborative, inclusive, and forward-looking. I place on record my sincere appreciations to all delegations for their constructive engagement, thoughtful interventions, and commitment to consensus. The proposal before us are the outcome of existing consultations and our collective desire to strengthen cooperation across the BRICS family. Building upon the foundation laid by the previous BRICS chairships, India has sought to make our cultural cooperation more institutional, practical, and also action-oriented. Building on the identified priorities, we have endeavored to develop collaborative initiatives capable of sustaining cooperation beyond any single chairship. During the second BRICS Culture Working Group meeting in Varanasi, India complemented the intergovernmental deliberations with expert-led thematic sessions on the three agreed priority areas: scholars, the museum professionals, cultural practitioners, researchers, and policymakers contributed valuable perspectives that helped shape practical proposals for future cooperation. These efforts are reflected in the proposed Bhopal Declaration. Together, these initiatives seek to strengthen institutional partnerships, promote knowledge sharing, and provide a framework for long-term cultural cooperation. Excellencies, to translate our shared aspirations into sustained collaboration, we have made significant progress across a broad range of priorities during this meeting. In this spirit, India is placed to advance the platform on the cultural and creative industries and creative economy underpinned by governance principles established on a voluntary and consensus basis. Envisioned as an active living ecosystem, rather than merely a dialogue forum, this platform will foster structured engagement on the scope, components, definitions, and contributions of the creative economy, and leverage digital tools to open wider market access for our creators. Through this, we are moving our cultural partnership firmly from dialogue to result-oriented. As part of this commitment, India is taking the initiative to develop an artist registry on pilot basis, a dedicated effort to deepen cultural exchange, broader opportunities for collaboration, and connect our creative talents and creative talents with new audiences across BRICS. And we look forward to the active and sincere participation of all member states in this endeavor. To celebrate our rich heritage and increase recognition, we actively support voluntary joint multinational nominations to UNESCO programs by the BRICS countries. Furthermore, to preserve our collective memory and advance historical justice, we have committed to strengthening cooperation on the return and restitution of cultural property, of spiritual, ancestral, and historical value, including the use of artificial intelligence-enabled visual identification and matching tools to locate and trace missing, stolen,